In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find free courses on Coursera. If you want to expand your skills without spending a penny, you're in the right place. Start by logging into your Coursera account and landing on your dashboard. At the top, you will see the Explore menu. Hover over it and a drop-down will appear. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see a link that says Browse Free Courses. Click on it and you will be taken to a page full of free courses across a variety of subjects, from business and technology to personal development and more. Take your time to browse through the courses. You can filter by topic or institution to find what fits your learning goals. Keep in mind that auditing these courses is free, though features like certificates might require payment. Even without a certificate, you'll still gain valuable knowledge and skills. And that's it. By following these steps, you can start exploring Coursera's free offerings and enhance your learning journey without any cost. Happy learning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.